Yes, I bit the bullet and I paid 40 odd quid for the Danessa Myricks Colorfix Stix. By God, this is a big product. Like, not dual ended, but here's another eyeshadow stick I got recently. Although of course these are so cool because they are dual ended and they're also magnetic. So you can buy multiple of these, swap and switch the colors, or just carry them around individually, which I actually think is a really, really cool idea. So let's give these an honest review and wear test. By the way, I got Duo 5, which is Cassiopeia and Astra. I saw someone say recently as well that you don't have to keep these caps on. Oh, the stick itself is actually smaller than I thought it was going to be. So this is Cassiopeia. I know some of them are supposed to be foils and some of them are supposed to be shimmers. No idea which one's which, but that is beautiful. And this one is Astra, and by the looks of things I feel like this might be the foil one. I mean, they're both very shimmery. I would say Astra has slightly more sort of scattered glitter effect. So let's just try these. I've got absolutely nothing else on my eye, no primer, just foundation and concealer. Just gonna go in with Astra first, and I'm gonna put this directly on the eye. Very creamy, applying really easily. Oh, I was about to blend that out with my finger and I feel like it's dried down already, so that's very interesting. Let's just see if we can layer this. Yep, that layers very nicely and that is a lot more pigmented now. Stunning. I mean, also another thing I will say is that at least in person these colors look very similar. I think that Cassiopeia is slightly darker, so I'm going to use this on the outer corner. I don't know if they're really like blendy formulas. They feel a bit more like apply and done type thing. Let me do Cassiopeia on this eye first just so I can actually see what the blending situation is like. So there, it's applied, and then let me blend it out. I feel like it's more just blending away rather than blending out. So I don't mind too much because, to be honest, they're in stick format. They're really, really easy to use. For me, I only really ever apply like one color all over the lid anyway, but I do feel like it's an odd choice that they're not super blendable. So not my favorite in terms of the formula, but I will say this color is absolutely stunning. Definitely one of the most sparkly eyeshadows I've ever used. So looking absolutely stunning. I will be back at the end of the day to let you know how these are wearing. It's been about 6 hours since applying the Danessa Myricks Colorfix Stix, and she wasn't lying when she said fix, because this definitely looks pretty much exactly how it looked when I first applied it, I would say. I've got very creasy eyelids, as you can see, and there is very minimal creasing, if any. So yeah, overall, I really, really like these. I do feel like they could be easy to blend, and I do feel like I'm a little bit disappointed by this duo in particular, just because both of those shades are so similar. I actually love this concept, but I do feel like they could have made it a little bit more clever by being able to choose exactly which 2 shades you want in each duo. But yeah, other than that, overall, very happy with these. So let me know if you try them, and thanks for watching.